You just have to trust the process of like the universe. Even if it seems scary, whatever feels right, like just go with that. Honestly. Just go with that. Because like what's meant for you can't miss you. Can't miss you. You just have to trust the process. You just have to trust the process.
There is no magic pill. There's no secret sauce, no fairy dust. You have to get off your couch. You have to get out there. You have to begin. You're gonna make mistakes. So what? You'll learn. Every single time. I do.
I feel like it's really important to be able to express yourself creatively in any form. My name's Miranda, and something interesting about me is I have a kitten named Peaches who I rescued from the hood of my car. She was just like under the hood of my car, just this little tiny kitten like this big. And I still call her a kitten, but she's like 2 years old now.
I move and move again. I keep moving. I'm looking for the light. The light keeps moving too. You gotta keep up.
I'm afraid of ever having regrets of things that I never did, like when I'm older, so that's why I try to just say yes to things more often and just do things to see what happens because I don't want to have regrets.
We try things. Sometimes they don't work. We keep trying until something does.
Adventure to me means like being outside. It makes me think of like camping with my mom, like in Portland where I grew up, and just like being in nature around trees and stuff. feel like bad things that happen to me like inspire me to make art and like to turn it into something that's beautiful rather than something that's sad.
You know, a lot of people are like, they want to do shit, they have ambitions and dreams and goals,
Yeah.
and they're just afraid. What advice do you
Yeah.
have for people who are too afraid to go after what they want?
Honestly, I feel like you have to just say fuck it and you have to just like jump head first, even if you're scared. Like I used to work at an office job and like one day I was like, it's just not making me happy. And like I used to model full time, like why am I doing this? And then I was just like, I'm just gonna freelance and just model. And honestly, I feel like if you follow the things that bring you the most happiness, like it'll all fall into place because like what's meant for you can't miss you. So you just have to trust the process of like the universe and like even if it seems scary, whatever feels right, like just go with that, honestly.
The sun dips out of sight, and again, the light changes.